Spire has very interesting technologies, especially around big data and running the analytics. Now, on big data, you can run using the Spire products across multiple verticals, across industries, and essentially look at it as a horizontal product on which you can do analytics and get the desired results. What we have noticed is close to 95% accuracy can be achieved using these products, which is an important aspect, especially looking at the results, which is critical for a business needs. When you look at Spire platform, you could build essentially a big data analysis or analytics using the Spire products. These you could use across many verticals and do your analytics for respective area. Essentially look at Spire product as a horizontal on which you could build your analytical engines. The other part is enterprise search engine, which essentially is looking at parts of the enterprise or an entire enterprise and do a context sensitive search or related search. Just to give you an example, it has been used many times in HR area or the related areas to deliver the desired results. When you talk about the benefits that one could achieve or attain using platform like Spire or the technologies that are deployed, three things come to my mind. One essentially is time to market. Its readiness, its applicability to the verticals or any vertical allows you to gain the benefits very, very quickly. So the time to market is very short. The second part is the analytics that you can derive and the accuracy and the benefits that attain due to that. With 95% accuracy, you are certain about the results and the quality of output. Very, very important when you are dealing with big data. The third part is return on investment. Every business, every individual would look at that as an important aspect in the decision-making process. Now, because of time to market, less or virtually no customization, and your ability to build your own engines, your own applications on top of this as a base application allows you to deliver or achieve much higher ROI than what using this as a product could anyway otherwise give you that. So these three important benefits are very, very, very essential for any business person from their investments that could occur. Spire products can be deployed in your organization in 4 different ways. One, of course, is the traditional hosted model. Second could be a cloud where you could use a third-party cloud to deploy applications or products. Third could be a unique hub and spoke model where you could separate your IP from the Spire IP. Essentially, Spire products can be used as a platform and you could build your own applications, your own analytics on top of it for the desired results of your client. And here is opportunity for you to separate if you choose to. And fourth option is as an enterprise deployment. There are different advantages with each one of these options, and you could choose to select either of these deployments for your own businesses. So essentially, a hosted model, cloud, hub and spoke, or an enterprise deployment, you could choose to deploy Spire products.